I've always said working at the Spine, Sport, and Joint Center is how I'd always envisioned practicing medicine.
Patients go, there's just something about this place. I mean, there's a smile at the front door. You just feel so warm and welcome. The staff is friendly. We're an integrated practice that can take care of all orthopedic problems and offer everything that is available under one roof for the non-surgical management of these issues. Spine, Sport, and Joint Center arose out of really the vision of Mr. McConnell, who brought the McConnell Center to Columbus. He wanted a facility where people can go and get health and wellness and early treatment in the medical system.
The kind of issues that we treat here vary from acute injuries to where people have rolled an ankle, fallen down, to chronic pathology.
Our commitment is to be able to provide our patients with everything they would need non-operatively in the care of their musculoskeletal injuries.
Non-surgical management has really expanded, but we've grown into some more exciting things like PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, which is the healing of chronic injuries using your own blood and your body's potential to heal. We're going into stem cell therapy, using stem cells from your body to help things heal.
I'm Tracy DeSabatoast. I was a patient of Dr. Ruan's, and I had platelet-rich plasma therapy. I was suffering from a torn hamstring, and Dr. Ruan suggested that I do this procedure. I'm a triathlete at the world level. I raced for Team USA, 3-time national champ and a world champ. Part of our mental training is to think about people who support you. And actually, Dr. Ruan and his nurse Dee were people that I would rely on. They go above and beyond. They did everything possible to get me training and racing again.
One of the unique things that we brought to Central Ohio is the 10X procedure for advanced cases of tendinopathy. So your golfer's elbow, your tennis elbow, Achilles tendinosis can now have a unique treatment option when other forms of traditional therapy have failed.
My name is Andrea Farmer, and I'm a registered nurse with Ohio Health Westerville Medical Campus. I had plantar fasciitis in my right foot, and I had a 10X procedure by Dr. Ruan at the Spine, Sport, and Joint Center. Dr. Ruan and his staff were amazing. They got me right in as soon as I called.
When our patients are hurt or injured, they don't want to wait a week to be seen. So our commitment is to get you in within 24 to 48 hours. When you call, we'll speak with you.
Within about 6 to 8 weeks, I was completely pain-free. I did go back to my aerobics class, and the first time I took the class, I actually cried because it was so great to not be in pain. It was wonderful.
If someone is wondering, where do I go for this, or I have this problem, where do I start? We like to think of start here. If it hurts, we can help.
When a patient presents with pain, the goal is to treat their pain and help them feel better. And the treatment starts at the problem area. If they're not improving the way we would expect with our treatments, one of the strengths of the physicians here is being comfortable in looking both upstream and downstream from that problem area and figuring out if the pain is coming from dysfunctional muscle, another joint, or compromised nerve tissue that's leading to the symptoms the patient are complaining of. We can then come up with a treatment plan for that problem, which is causing the pain that they're experiencing.
We're proud to be the team physicians for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and we treat every patient with that attitude of how do we help you achieve what you want to achieve and get you back to what you want to do.
Our patients may not be part of a basketball team, they may not be on a hockey team, but they're involved in activities. And oftentimes they're seeing us because their injuries are limiting their activities.
That's the great thing about this practice is $3 million athlete right here, 77-year-old Mrs. Jones right here, who's just trying to get through a knee replacement.
I think that collaborative effort with our patients is what ultimately leads them to a great outcome.
The goal is to treat their pain and help them feel better.
We make sure you understand and know your diagnosis. We take the time to answer all your questions, make sure you know what your options are, and also that we are meeting your individual need in what you want out of your health care.
They were completely professional and wonderful, and I would recommend them to anybody.
I couldn't be more appreciative of their care and of all the help that they gave to me.